Beloved Creator, source of all that is, guides, guardians, and wisdom keepers, we acknowledge and thank you for the gift of our being, the guidance and support we receive from you at all times. And we thank you for this opportunity to gather and share our thoughts. We are always honest and lawful and strive through our actions to be heartful and focused on the best results for the people. It takes our personal responsibility, and it takes as many as are willing. So in great gratitude, we ever pray for your continued grace, your protection and direction in all that we do. Let it be so, and so it is.
Thank you, Charlie. My name's Ron Vroman. I'm the old white man talking head of the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly. Greetings. I claim all power is inherent in the people. The United States is a legal fiction created by the several states in union together in a Congress assembled under the Articles of Confederation and Perpetual Union. The Union is styled the United States of America. It, as a group, created the Constitution, which created the United States. The last lawful state is Oregon. A path to returning to a United States as a constitutionally bound government is to assemble a quorum of the several states that were states. In 1860, prior to South Carolina seceding. However, a civilian court of record is required to implement Ex parte Milligan and nullify martial law, Lieber Code, and FEMA. Therefore, 33 lawful states, a lawful quorum can open a lawful Congress. That precludes color of law. If we just do it lawfully, we take them out. You don't have to enforce anything. He was right. Nullify. Refuse to cooperate. Promulgate to your heart's content. I find no rebuttal. May I present our thoughts on this at a meeting? If you've got a meeting, we'll be there on Zoom and tell you everything we know and give you all the help we can. We think we are in a malevolent, predatory form of martial law. Lieber Code, FEMA, except for Oregon, where we have formed a civilian court of record, implemented or enabled Ex parte Milligan, which in turn nullified martial law, Lieber Code, FEMA on Oregon. It is all written down. Just follow the prompts. We did. They were playing the good master, raising the slave child while rearing their own child. He who can be deceived, let him. That's their law form. We're not deceived anymore. We are no longer deceived. Therefore, de facto law form is a nullity. All the best of every good fortune for the good. And I yield.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying, and then he jumps out of the car, and he's got both his hands up.
And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, just shoot me then. This is what you want, to shoot me. And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I saw it. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, they shot him 3 more times.